So I had to come up with another video. इतने सारे questions and इतने सारे doubts. So here it is. Washing your hands and wearing a mask is a must before you start any of the activities related to washing your vegetables or your groceries or anything that you have purchased from outside at this point of time. And yes, 20 minutes, rub, 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 just like shown in the video. Veggie wash is made up of mild natural acid or corn or coconut or citrus. So here we have used apple cider vinegar. Veggies travel a long way to reach our houses. So it is very important to rub the surface of the vegetable very thoroughly to get rid of any kind of microbe or any sort of contamination on the surface. So even if you have put any sort of veggie wash into the water, make sure you rub it very precisely and thoroughly. However rough the surface of the vegetable may be, you have to make sure that it cannot skip the step of rubbing its surface. And we had a guest here. Sharing and interdependence of organisms is what we have been learning in this pandemic. This earth belongs to everybody and we have to share the resources. The softer, the smoother the surface of the vegetable, the more chances there are that it can have wax around it. So make sure you rub those vegetables even more thoroughly. According to the Food and Drug Administration (FDA), washing the vegetables in running water is one of the most important and most efficient way of getting rid of any kind of contagious virus, bacteria or any other microbe for that matter. You can surely use the veggie washes or the baking soda or the vinegar like we have used before actually doing it with the running water. But the point is, you have to wash the vegetables in running water for sure. An extra effort and extra care is never harmful. Thus, we can add few more steps before actually washing it in the running water, but please do wash them thoroughly, whatever you are doing. An extra effort could be getting rid of all the extra vegetable which is not required in the house but is attached to the main vegetable. So better get rid of it before taking it inside the house. Also, the extras that you have separated from the main vegetable, try not to throw it into the dustbin. You can surely try to arrange to supply it to some cattle around your area or maybe something of that sort. Optimum utilization of the resources that we are going to use, yes, we have to learn it now. Yes, bananas have to be absolutely and thoroughly washed.
हाँ, वहाँ किचन में थाली है लिया, उसका सामान नीचे रख देना पर, एक पूजा वाली एक स्टील वाली।
Told you, separate out the stuff not needed from the vegetables. And then wash it. Obviously, clean all the plates, all the containers very thoroughly before putting all the vegetables after washing them. Yes, this is not the final step, we'll be washing them with the clear water, but still, do it in the first place. Here comes the fun part, washing the vegetables with the running water.
Running water.
Even after washing with the clear and the running water, the vegetables and the fruits are not ready to be consumed. Yes, they are ready to be taken inside the house into the refrigerators, but surely not consumable yet. Same steps, different angle.
साफ कर रहे हैं हम जो है, तो कोरोना चला गया चीन सीधे जो है, जहाँ से आया तो वहीं चला गया वापस। यहाँ थोड़ी रहेगा वो, और नहीं तो फिर सीधे भाग जाओ समुद्र पर।
A lot of queries in the last video. Can we wash the vegetables and the fruits with the soapy water? Absolutely not. You cannot wash the vegetables or the fruits in the soapy water. Yes, all the things and items you have in the plastic container through which you are very much sure that the water will not seep into it, you can surely use the soapy water. The coronavirus has the ability to stay for a longer period of time on the plastic contents. Therefore, it is very important and mandatory to wash the plastic contents that you bring from the market very thoroughly and for a very long period of time. So make sure you do this extremely well. all the veggies are completely and clearly cleaned with the vinegar water, with the running water, and still did not get the pass to get inside the house. Then what? We left the vegetables in the sun to dry by themselves. And then we will consider taking them in maybe. They have to be quarantined in the sun all alone. No, not completely alone. The dal or the pulses that we bought from the market were kept in the sun as well to be quarantined. Not only the vegetables and the fruits, but the bags and the containers that you took to the market to get them have to be quarantined and thoroughly washed into that soapy water and then dried in the sun. Make sure you do this step and do not fall prey of any kind of carelessness. Any mistake at this point of time could be really, really fatal. So please, take care. Final step for the vegetables and the fruits to get an entry ticket in the house, to be get wiped off really thoroughly with a very clean and recently washed towel. Not only vegetables and fruits, everything that you brought from the market will enter the house after this last step. One of the biggest vegetable markets in Delhi, that is the Azadpur Mandi, has been declared as the recent coronavirus hotspot. Many cases from different parts of the country have been reported wherein the vegetable vendor was affected, due to which many families around the area were quarantined. Investing 20 to 25 minutes of your time after you bring the groceries to your house can make a whole lot of a difference.